So guys, today I'll show you how to convert a video file VLC Media Convert. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So open media and head over to convert, save. So add the video file here. For example, I want to add this video file before, and click on add. Just click on it and click on convert, save. So here you want to convert this before file to for example, let's say you want to convert this to you want to convert this to MP3 or flats. So choose the result and file that you want to convert to, and click on the destination file. Choose your destination file here, for example downloads, then click on start to converting the before full file to flag file here, for example. And this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this good info, don't forget to like, subscribe, and